The United Movement Committee for Roman Script has announced a large-scale demonstration scheduled for January 8 to press the long-standing demand for the adoption of the Roman script for the Koborok language. The announcement was made jointly by the organization's convener John Debarma and Sazra Debarma. The demand for the Roman script is a deeply rooted aspiration of the indigenous Tiprasa people. At the heart of this movement is the TSF, which has consistently led the church advocating for the linguistic rights and cultural identity of the community. The choice of January 8 is deeply symbolic. The TSF observes this date as Black Day to commemorate a tragic incident in history when students were shot while peacefully protesting for the Roman script. By organizing the protest on this anniversary, the committee aims to honor those sacrifices while renewing their call for justice and linguistic recognition. The timing of the protest is also driven by urgency regarding the upcoming board examinations. With exams set to begin on February, the organization highlighted the severe difficulties Tiprasa students continue to face.
Sekango joto media aku bukuk sama hambai. Tamniken norok ni cubamu. Nori je awai mung ama belake nangkugo kawan bai nor belake hambai tai joto Tiprahani Tiprasarono sini hamzama te kulmung yafaro sing tini United Movement Committee for Roman Script ningai sing belake hambai maro joto Tiprasarono tami bagi hingake sini manthai ni bagi sini rights ni bagi joto thanjake sing andolon claimani bagi sing basamani bagi sini manthai ni bagi sing fight claimani bagi aban bai belake hambai all sing Roman script samina was sini bagisia kintu abo sing joto sini somas sini society ni bagisi han bai joto thansake ba samani bagi sing pipeline hambai ama hakena bus kango taisha basane ni bagi sing kobok nai sing semeno asuk bisi koloma romoi sing sini manthani tini andron klai kok sai pemani haipon tabo supung jagyaku hani bagi sing dia matomai sini om manthani te kok satini rights no ni bagi andron khaitini manthai manabai samung khaitini mo jotot eglogi tonai bagi tai bo sing saramu sung obono sing je mani asak sing andron khainai tai noni support bon langnai ke abono sing buskangni 8 tarikh sing bono siwa afro Black Day sing afro je TSF ro andron khaifru kokjak mani sal CAB tile hayin pano adinop sing taisha sini je demand Roman script te sing amonti bosung andron khlaide tai bosung buskango sing atarik doni pore sing January deliver thare January wa thani nei sing CBS in 7 by bo malai nai sing kok lam soi te sini je man thai ni kok sing soi ne borok bai tai bo ama hikeno sing German yasak andron khlaide an bai sing joto lukrolo support kren mai koi naini baksa Devanagiri sano sing num nukha tamo bongno suna nangnai sing esa Tiprasangai tamo suna nangnai gake je oli tongai rongni report ai keke 99% Roman script baino hamdari ne silai tong ike boroke je o Tiprasani future poli tongai ro Tiprasa sikla rono future ponai rono sikla borno future Tiprasani hai ni bagino o future generation borok se 99% poriwe ge situ Roman script hinga ke borok tamni bagi kebeng amos prosno amos masing mai borno bo saisung hamzamani Devanagiri bai hamzai tongai tai 99% Tiprasa poli tongai ro ni bawishot noso khai toingya hani bai bo wan suma nangnai srai bin wan sum clear ana nangnai bini sai sung ni wan sum bai bo khlai ke kamat Tiprasa bawishot bai belai hamia ama bono clear message tai bono sungthai ningke ni sai sung hamzama bai dan Tiprasa bawishot noso khai namusung ama sungnani dorgar
chini Tiprasani ke kokno muthangina nani sobono norok jotono logi diman bagi chini okra sakar bagi chimi khai tongo tabo chini sikla rong jora tabo sung khai tongo amon bagi nok sono guide khai mani te sono logi diman te nok sono logi diman bagi to konmen sabto nom joton sai khari ka jotono saibano 10 ramo 8 tarikh tamong mani chini silai bai guli kokjak mani alaga koma horok nang mani so adino sing base khai sing adino tesa chini Roman script ni sing mani sak sing chini dadi mani sak sing sak sobo soli tongnai chini sobo nong jotono tesa tesa koijabo karon tamni bagi hinma chini manthai maya sak sing jotono omono sobo soli tongnai to chini o soba sing je chini CM sabno sing bonono clear message horo chini je chief minister triprono je boje samani robno nagotolani kaso misilo roman script no mani ini omo sara tripura ni chini kungbar ro tripura sara jotono roman script sinani hini no jotono sanlai tongo no adino bo nukhana sarai ke message minthani khobor soi gana te omono sungbono kahangwe clear message namu jungo je chini man thaino te chini kokno sunono decision khaina ridi chini borono decision khai chini borono kok sana ridi amon bagino chino soba choli tongo te choli tongnai te joto media friends te chini Tripura police persons te baki chini joto non hambai dara dara o chini movement no o chini protest no fulfill khaiman bagi joto no bagi.
The United Movement Committee has urged the indigenous community to join the protest in large numbers. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.